I have been out of work for months, so I try to find something to do to make money. Occasionally I see a sew-to-sell video. It reminds me that I know how to use a sewing machine. Then I took out the idle sewing machine at home to study. Gradually, I can use it proficiently. I want to use it to sew a handkerchief. After some trying, I finally made a handkerchief. So I am happy to share it with my friends. After my friend saw it, she thought it was beautiful. So she asked me to help her make some too. Finally, my hobby became my job. I enjoy the sewing process.